Hello and welcome to this video tutorial of Cosentino products, now available for download in the BIMobject cloud. In this video, we will talk about Cosentino wash basins, now available for Revit and ARCHICAD. The BIMobjects can be downloaded using our integrated apps or directly from our portal, like I'm doing. If we write Cosentino in the search bar, we will see all products from this producer. We can use the category filters on the left to narrow down our search until we found the product we're looking for. Cosentino products are presented in individual product pages which contain all the necessary information about the product. In the product page, we can see the product name, a description, prescription text, links to some technical and other kind of information from the manufacturer, and other information like classifications, regions, and properties. If we click on the download button, we will see all the available files for download of this product. We will start downloading the files for Revit. First, we need to download the Autodesk Materials library, together with the textures and the Revit family. We have to create a folder in zip with this path, where we will unzip the textures. In Revit, the first thing to do is to add the desired materials to the project. In order to do this, we have to go to Manage, Materials, and add the library that we have just downloaded. We select the materials that we're interested in, and we add them to the project like this. Now, we need to load the Revit family in our project. We go to Insert, Load Family, and we select it and click OK. The program has to update the file to our Revit version. Once this process is finished, we will see the family in the Family browser. To place this wash basin in our project, we just need to select it and drag and drop it in the model, taking into account that it needs a wall to host it. When we select the wash basin, we can see its instance parameters here, which apply to this wash basin only. However, if we click on Edit Type, we will see its type parameters that are common to all this type of wash basins. Amongst them, we can find the identity data parameters. We can also change the material of this basin from here and choose from the materials we added to the project before. Cosentino families have 3 levels of detail. We can see how the geometry changes when we select Coarse, Medium, and Fine. We can also check the 3D view. Lastly, we can also use the integrated BIMobject app for Revit to search and download Cosentino products. We just need to search and choose the files we want to download. Now we will download the files for ARCHICAD. In this case, you will have to download the GSM file and the macro library. First, we need to add the macro library to our project in File, Libraries and Objects, Library Manager. We click on Add, we select the macro library that we have downloaded, and we click OK. Now we're going to add the downloaded objects in the embedded library. We click on this icon and select the downloaded object. To insert the wash basin, we just need to click on the object tool and select it from the embedded library. If we go to the 3D view, we will see how the object is displayed in 3D. The arrow tool selects the object, and when we right-click on it, we can open the object selection settings. In this menu, we can change all the settings of the wash basin. We can change its position, its material, and the kind of finish. We can also select the option of the double basin, and if we want the tab hole to be displayed. In the BIMobject tab, we can find the links of the product, including the link to Cosentino's website. The integrated BIMobject app for ARCHICAD is a faster way to search and download the objects. We just need to sign in, look for the manufacturer, and select the products that we're interested in. Enjoy using Cosentino products, and thanks for watching.